very warm welcome. You're watching Times Now and all eyes are on that all-important Putin-Modi meeting. But there is a different spin to the matter that has been given by the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi. He has said that there is no meeting scheduled between him and the Russian president and gone on to allege that it is the government of India that does not want him, somebody who is in the constitutional position of leader of opposition, to engage with the foreign leaders. Rahul Gandhi has claimed that messages are often conveyed informally, not only to leaders visiting India, foreign dignitaries visiting India, but even when he goes abroad, to suggest that they should avoid meeting the leader of opposition. Rahul Gandhi has also said that the opposition also represents India and such restrictions reflect the government's broader policy of limiting these interactions.
रिलेशन तो सबके साथ है। जो एलओपी एक दूसरा पर्सपेक्टिव देता है। हिंदुस्तान को हम भी रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, सिर्फ सरकार नहीं रिप्रेजेंट करती है। तो सरकार नहीं चाहती कि ऑपोजिशन के लोग बाहर के लोगों से मिलें। ये ट्रेडिशन है सर। राष्ट्रपति एक सेकंड मुझे बोलने दीजिए। ये ट्रेडिशन है, ये नॉर्म है, बट मोदी जी इस नॉर्म को फॉलो नहीं करते हैं।
Okay, some sensational allegations being leveled there by the leader of opposition, and even as the tensions flare over this scenario, now Rahul Gandhi has been accused of insecurity by the government, because remember, Rahul Gandhi's sister and also a Congress MP Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is the one who had suggested that the government is stalling this meeting between the leader of opposition and Russian president because it is insecure. BJP says that the center or the Indian government is only supposed to present the Indian perspective, and they noted that it is the visiting delegation that decides who they want to meet or not.
देखिए, मुझे लगता है लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन की हैसियत से, एलओपी की हैसियत से आदरणीय राहुल गांधी जी ने आज जिस प्रकार की बात की है, ये न केवल अनुचित है, मगर मुझे लगता है कहीं न कहीं दिस डज नॉट प्रेजेंट इंडिया इन अ गुड लाइट, और एक इररेस्पॉन्सिबल स्टेटमेंट है राहुल गांधी का। द स्टेटमेंट इज विदाउट एनी फैक्ट्स, इसमें कोई फैक्ट नहीं है। पहली बात मैं आपको बता दूं, राहुल गांधी जी का कहना था कि जो फॉरेन डिग्निटरीज आते हैं उनसे भारत सरकार एलओपी को मिलने नहीं देती है बिकॉज द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया हैज अ सेंस ऑफ इनसिक्योरिटी। भारत सरकार में एक सेंस ऑफ इनसिक्योरिटी है।
Right, and the government sources have also listed multiple instances to counter this insecurity narrative. They are saying that as the leader of opposition in India, several meetings have happened with foreign dignitaries since 9th of June 2024, which is after the general elections last year when Rahul Gandhi was made the leader of opposition. They have listed at least 5 to 6 incidents where meetings have happened between Rahul Gandhi and a visiting dignitary from offshores. Pragya and Nyamika will be joining us for more on this. Nyamika, tell us more about the BJP's attack on Rahul Gandhi. Now, BJP is saying that whatever allegations have been leveled are absolutely baseless. They have even backed it up with instances from the past ever since Rahul took over as LOP.
Well, yes, indeed. This is a shocking statement which has been given by the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, today, as he has basically made these allegations against the government of India that there is so much of insecurity in the BJP government that they are not even allowing the leader of opposition to have a meeting with Vladimir Putin, as this question was being raised to him that whether there is any engagement which has been scheduled for the leader of opposition to have a meeting with Vladimir Putin, to which he has replied that there is no such meeting because the government has completely changed the policy. This used to happen when there was the government of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, but now this government of the BJP has changed its policy. This is basically the new policy which they have opted, as they don't want to present the viewpoints of the opposition leaders, and that is the only reason why there is no such meeting which is being scheduled. But now clarification has also been given on the part of the government as well. They have basically listed out all the instances where the leader of opposition have held a meeting with the foreign delegates in the past, and for that reason now this entire narrative which has been created by the Congress party has come under question, because it is not just Rahul Gandhi, but there are other MPs of the Congress party, including Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, have also stated the same. She has also made this allegation against the BJP government that there is so much of fear amongst the BJP that they don't want that the leader of opposition have a meeting with Vladimir Putin, which is unacceptable on their part. As for that reason, they are also saying that we are also Indians, we are also Hindustani, so it is our right to have a meeting with the foreign delegates, which the government is not allowing.
Okay, now specifically Rahul Gandhi had said that it is the government that conveys to the visiting dignitaries not to meet LOP. Now the BJP clearly coming out and saying that there is no such thing, because it is the visiting leader whose team decides who they want to meet or not. Here is how the politics has played out over the matter.
एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण दौरा है राष्ट्रपति पुतिन का। वो 4 साल बाद भारत में आ रहे हैं। ये 23वीं भारत और रूस के बीच समिट है। उनके साथ एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण डेलीगेशन भी है, जिसमें इनके वित्त मंत्री हैं, रक्षा मंत्री हैं, सेंट्रल बैंक के गवर्नर भी हैं। रूस और भारत के फोरम का भी मुलाकात होगी आज। और जो हम सुन रहे हैं ये आर्थिक विषयों पे काफ़ी मतलब फोकस होगा। खास तौर से हमारे जो एक्सपोर्ट्स हैं रशिया में, जैसे क्योंकि आपको पता है कि द्विपक्षीय व्यापार में रशिया हमें ज़्यादा बेचती है, हम कम बेचते हैं, तो इसमें एडवर्स बैलेंस ऑफ ट्रेड कैसे सुधारा जाए।
रूस ऐसा मुल्क है जिसने बार बार जब हिंदुस्तान के खिलाफ साजिशें हुई, जब जंग की गई, जब हमारे पड़ोसियों के तरफ से हम पे हमले हुए, तो रूस हमारी मदद के लिए सामने आई। चाहे हथियारों के सप्लाई में, चाहे यूनाइटेड नेशंस और खासकर सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल में अपने वीटो का इस्तेमाल करके। और अच्छी बात है कि आज रूस के सदर वो भी अब हिंदुस्तान के दौरे पे आ रहे हैं। हमारे ताल्लुकात और बेहतर हों तो अच्छी बात है।
बहुत अजीब बात है कि उन्हें मिलने नहीं दिया जा रहा। प्रोटोकॉल होता है, कोई भी विजिटिंग डिग्नेटरी एलओपी से मिलते हैं और रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं तो मिलते हैं। तो इस प्रोटोकॉल का रिवर्सल मतलब इस सरकार की जो जनरल जो जितनी भी नीतियां हैं वो इसी आधार पर है। वो सब खुद घेरना चाहते हैं, कोई और आवाज़ को उठने ही नहीं देना चाहते, किसी और का कुछ पक्ष सुनना ही नहीं चाहते, और जो प्रोटोकॉल्स हैं उनको भी तोड़ रहे हैं। भगवान जाने किस बात का डर। मैं तो ये प्रदूषण पर चर्चा करने में क्या डर है,
मुझे पता नहीं। मेरे ख्याल में एक लोकतंत्र में अच्छा होगा कि जो भी आते हैं हमारे देश को कि सबसे मिल ले, लेकिन मैं इसके बारे में डिटेल्स नहीं जानता। राहुल जी कहा आप उन्हें ही कोट कीजिएगा। मैं सिर्फ ये कहूँगा, आई थिंक दिस इज एन इम्पोर्टेंट विजिट। आई थिंक फॉर आवर कंट्री देयर इज नो डाउट दैट देयर आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बायलैटरल रिलेशनशिप्स टू बी मेंटेन्ड with Russia, with China, with America, and we cannot accept a proposition that says that any one relationship has to be determined by the nature of another relationship. We should have the sovereign autonomy to actually decide the terms of our own engagement with each country, and it's in that spirit, I believe, that we have maintained good relations with Russia.